Hello. Good day everyone. I am Jerzen. Welcome back to this channel. This next video I show you how to make the old router as a Wi-Fi extender. If you found this channel is informative, please support, and don't forget to subscribe, and click the notification bell, to update my next video. So let's get started. First, connect the power adapter into router. Just make sure the power of the router is turned off. Second, let's reset the Wi-Fi router. Now make sure the Wi-Fi router is turned on. Now let's wait the LOS to light. LOS light is red. It means no internet. But it's okay, because we will make this router as a Wi-Fi extender. Now let's reset this router. Resetting this router by long pressing the reset button up to 10 seconds. One S, 2S, 3S, 4S, 5S, 6S, 7S, 8S, 9S, 10S. Now let's pull the reset button, and let's wait the router to completely reset. It will auto off and on after resetted. The LOS red light disappeared. It means the router is now resetted. Now let's wait the LOS red light to lighted. Now the LOS lighted. Let's proceed to enter the PLDT homepage. Let's connect the LAN cable from CPU to this router LAN 1. The network is no internet, but it's okay. We can still access the PLDT homepage through Google Chrome web browser. Enter the PLDT URL address on tab. PLDT URL address is 192.168.1.1 and press enter. On PLDT homepage, enter the username and password. The default username is admin, and the default password is 1234. The default IP address, username and password is found at the back on router nameplate. Now the PLDT home page need a new password. Let's make a new password first. The password must contains digit, upper and lower letter, and special character, so I will replace default password 1. 2, 3, 4. Into user 18 name and special character like exclamation point. Let's copy and paste the password from our notepad. Let's enter the default password. Now let's paste our new password. Let's paste it also here. And here. And here also. Now let's click Update. Now the new password updated. Now let's log in it again, using our new password. Let's paste our new password here. On LAN DHP server configuration. Let's disable the primary DHP server by unchecking the box. And click Apply. Now let's go into IP version 6 configuration. Let's disable the DHP version 6 server. Click OK. And click Apply. Now we can use this router as a Wi-Fi extender. Let's log out and test this router as an extender. Now let's disconnect the LAN cable and power cable. Now let's go into another router and connect this router and let's check if there's internet. This Android phone is connected to Jenny's router. This is Jenny's router. Now let's try to connect PLDT router to Jenny's router. Let's connect LAN 1 from PLDT router to LAN 1 also on Jenny's router. Now let's turn on the PLDT router. Let's wait until the LAN 1 lights. Now the LAN 1 lighted. The LOS light is red, It means no internet. But it's okay, because this router is now a Wi-Fi extender. Now let's forget the Jenny's Wi-Fi, and let's connect into PLDT Wi-Fi and check if there is an internet. Now let's enter the new password on this router that we updated before. The new password we update is user18 name and 2 exclamation point. Now let's connect and check if there's an internet. Now the Android phone is connected into PLDT Wi-Fi. Let's try to surf if it is working. And the Android phone is now working on good quality internet.
Looking for virtual assistant jobs that you can do as a beginner?
Now we can use this old PLDT router as a Wi-Fi extender in far places that Jenny's Wi-Fi can't reach, using long LAN cable in this old router. If you found this video as informative, please support by hitting the subscribe button and click the notification bell to update my next video. Thank you.